Ghana, your beloved country is free forever.
On 6th March 1957, Ghana made history as the first sub-Saharan African nation to gain independence, a moment that sparked hope, pride, and freedom across the continent. For 69 years, Ghana has grown through resilience, unity, and determination. From our rich traditions and hardworking people to a nation constantly striving for progress. Today, Ghana is a country of innovation and opportunity. Businesses are evolving, entrepreneurs are rising, and technology is shaping the way we work and connect. At CONAK Technology, we are proud to support Ghanaian businesses with smart digital solutions that help them grow, operate efficiently, and reach new opportunities. As we celebrate 69 years of independence, we honor our past and embrace the future. Happy Independence Day.